Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Portmore and we're heading towards the Greater Portmore area. On the right, that yellow building is our call center. We have quite a few call centers over in Portmore now. This part has a lot of commercial buildings on the right, but on the left it's a lot of residential areas and a lot of very large communities. So the government recently passed some traffic laws, and it was passed in the parliament, the new traffic bill I should say, but they still have not announced when that bill is going to become law, because as of today the changes in the new traffic bill have not taken effect, and the government has not stated when it's going to start taking effect. So persons are trying to figure out why is it taking so long. But as of this week, there was no announcement as to when the laws would come into effect. And as you know, Jamaica there's so much indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. Even persons in the government have commented on the level of indiscipline on the roads, and it's only getting worse. So everybody says, oh, the new traffic law is coming, the new traffic bill just needs to pass. Well, guess what? It's passed now, and still no indication as to when it's going to take effect. Well, it's needed, and I guess we just have to wait. I'm not sure why it takes so long though, because this bill they were working on from 2018, these changes, and they only got it through the parliament in 2022, and they still don't know when it's going to take effect. So I guess we just have to wait and see. But so many government officials and even opposition persons, public sector persons, everybody is saying there is too much indiscipline on the roads. It's something has to be done. And I guess we just have to wait a little longer. We've waited so long. And another thing the government is doing is putting in cameras, so that if you run a red light, the traffic cam or the red light, the camera at the stoplight can take the picture of the license plate, and then the person who the car is licensed to will receive the ticket. So it doesn't matter who is driving, it's whoever the car is licensed to or registered to. So these tickets will be issued automatically, and you might not even know, because let's say you lent your car out to somebody, the ticket will be issued electronically. And when you go to the tax office to do something, that's when you might learn that you have a ticket, and you can't renew your car, you can't do much at the tax office with the car, read the car, until that ticket is paid. So it's a very good system, and it's a system that's needed. And also another change that's going on is the police now have handheld devices, so they no longer need to write in the ticket book. They can do everything electronically, can even scan your ID and issue the ticket via an electronic means. And then when they take that tablet back to the station, They just dock it and everything is updated automatically. A copy goes to the tax office. A copy goes everywhere it's supposed to go. A much more efficient system. And it moves much faster. That system is actually up and running, the electronic ticket system. I think it was 100 tablets they had tried a pilot project with, and it worked well. And the last we heard is that the government was in the process of getting more of the handheld tablets or handheld devices. Alright, so we're now in the Greater Portmore area, and straight ahead is the Greater Portmore Shopping Center, or the Greater Portmore Plaza. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.